Happy New Year's! So we started the year off at Michael's and we went to see the spring things, and a lot of it looks like it's cowboy themed. So we were just checking out the new shelves, and I'm guessing they're gonna have some more new stuff, but that's all there was for now. I love all the yellow and the hamburger buns. It's all very cheerful. So that was that one shelf. Good. It's like a collectible. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. And then we went to Walmart for shower curtains and a few other things. Love the shiny ones. There were so many cute designs. Just looking around there. And then we went home. So there's our haul. We got some cleaning items. I love Swiffer. It works really well. There's our shower curtain that we picked. And then we got some hot dogs because we were having hot dogs that day. Fries. McCain, really good. And then we had hot dog buns, some toast, hot dogs for the people who eat meat. And there's our shower curtain that we picked. It's the ocean one. Then we had hot dogs for dinner. So there's mine, the vegetarian one. And that's unboxing the mini brands. And it's all about books. Let's see what we got.
Oh, wow. Focus.
So they're all mini books.
It's a mini collectible.
And you get a magnifying glass so you can actually probably read them. And that's what we finally got, a bookshelf with the 3 mini books. And they're actually special items, so I guess I'm gonna continue. Here is the list of all the books you can collect. Have a good night.